all the way to the back. But this particular one is vegetarian. You can buy it in Whole Foods or Publix.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good. So then, water's ready. If you use cold water, within 6 minutes you boil the water in the Vitamix, right here, because of the friction. But I know you're in a hurry, so I'm cheating to make this faster. I don't have enough jugs to keep you here a long time.
So you can put any vegetables you want in there.
Yeah. So you can see what it says hot soup. Go ahead, click what it says hot soup, please. There you go. And how long does it say?
6 minutes.
6 minutes. You press start. You can go watch TV. When it's done, it shuts off by itself. It's much easier. You don't have to pay attention. With the other blenders, you have to stay in the kitchen. Those blenders get stuck. You usually have to like do this, right? This is almost ready. It's a juicer, it's a blender, it's an ice cream maker, food processor, kitchen grinder, coffee grinder. Now, I want to do this manually because I want to show how it's possible that the Vitamix boils water. It's basically the friction. For example, right here, that's the speed of a regular blender. That's 5,000 RPMs. That's too slow, right? That's the NutriBullet. Have you ever heard of the Bullet?
NutriBullet, yeah.
It's a good machine, but still too slow. You always get little chunks, little pieces, right? We increase a little more. That's 20,000 RPMs. That's the Ninja. Have you ever heard of the Ninja?
I have the Ninja.
It's a good machine, but you still get little chunks. It won't blend everything. We go all the way, and that is the 37,000 RPM. So that creates a load of friction, and that's why you can boil water with the Vitamix. It's the friction that heats it up. That's the secret of the Vitamix. Now you don't want the soup to be a liquid. You want it to have some texture. We have some spinach. And then this is a tortilla soup. So we add some gluten-free and organic tortilla chips.
Wow. Esto me va a salvar a mí.
There we go.
Who would think you could put like tortillas in?
Now we won't pulverize it. It is where you would add the chicken or the meat, and then you're just gonna pulse it, chop it. Food processor, right? You can see the little chunks. Soup is ready. Ta-da! How long did it take?
Not even 5 minutes.
Okay, super easy, super fast. You can tell the husband you spent an hour making soup. It took you 5 minutes. It's not here. Exactly. So bring the husband. I'll make a margarita. You bring the tequila. We convince him, right?
Yep. So you'll be here until Sunday?
Sunday is my last day.
We came this past Sunday, but nobody was here.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.